Click on Start, move to Programs, further press on Microsoft Excel. The screen layout will be same as Microsoft Word. You will get a control box at the leftmost side through which you can restore, minimize and maximize. The blue line is known as title bar, which is used to display the file name. At the right side, minimize, maximize, restore and close button. We have seen the use of each and every button in MS Word tutorials. Next is menu bar. Below that, standard toolbar, further formatting toolbar. But the difference is, in Word after formatting toolbar there was a ruler, but here you will find a formula bar, as we have to perform different types of calculations in Excel. So what formula we have written, you can see at the formula bar. To identify at present in which column and row we are, you can see at name box. These are the columns A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the rows. Excel is already a table like document. We do not have to create a table, as the definition of Excel is a spreadsheet generally used for calculation and analysis of numbers. Next, what is a book? Collection of sheets is known as book. Then what is a worksheet? Collection of rows and columns is known as sheet. Next, what is a cell? This box is known as cell. The intersection of any row and column is known as cell. Now we will see to perform a calculation in Excel. We will feed some numbers here. Suppose 200 and 100. Now we require the addition of the two numbers, subtraction, multiplication and division. How to perform this simple formula inside Excel we will see now. To add two numbers and display the result in D4, just start a formula with equal sign. Then check the column of 200, that is A, and press the row of 201. Means the complete cell name for 200 is A1. Plus sign. Then check the column of 100, that is B, and column is 1. So the exact name for 100 value is B1. Now we have completed the formula. Press the enter key to end the formula. You will just get the result. Further, if you want to see how 300 has been calculated, just have a look at formula bar. It will display a formula to you. To perform a subtraction, once again press equal sign. Type the cell address A1 minus B1. Enter. See. For multiplication equals to A1, use the star sign and B1. See. For division equals to A1 slash we have to use for a division. A1 divided by B1. Enter. So in this way we can perform different types of calculation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Further we will see more examples related to calculations. Hope you have cleared this simple concept about the Excel. Mainly we have to perform different types of calculations here. We will just solve the different sheets, how to make a school mark sheet, then a shop billing system, how to calculate a bank loan calculation, and to calculate a employee salary slip. We will see all these details in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching HIIT